hey, let me show you all the best functions of the OPPO Enco Free 2 earbuds. And all of these functions we can actually find in the Hey Melody application, but when you are using the Realme or the OPPO phone, you actually can find this application by going into the boot settings, clicking on the information icon, and then selecting earbud function. So let's say that that's the first useful and cool function for the Realme and the OPPO phone users. And now, first of all, for sure, we can find here the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. That's useful. You can switch between them by clicking on each icon, of course, if you input both earbuds inside your ears. But there's also a second method how you can switch between the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. You can find this function into the earbud controls, and on the left and the right one, you can find the touch and the hold. So when you hold the sensor for around 1.5 seconds, you can switch between the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. It works for the left and the right earbud. Next, we are going into the equalizer, because right here we can find 4 presets: the classic, dynamic bass, clear vocals, and the clear. So we can pick any of this one. And also you can personalize the sound boost, but you will have to perform the hearing test to enhance the best sound for your preferences. Also, the key feature right here is the earbud controls. Like I show you, we can find 5 different controls: the single tap, double tap, triple tap, and the slide and touch and hold. And for sure, on the single tap we can find the play and the pause feature. On the double tap we can turn next or the previous song. On the triple tap we can actually activate the game mode or the voice assistant. And on the slide we can actually go for the volume control, so we can increase or decrease the volume level. But here we get also the switch track function, but it looks like the same for the previous and the next song, so that's kind of weird. And of course it looks the same for the left, for the right earbud, and that's basically it from this one. Also, we can find the camera related settings. So now when you wear these earbuds and you double tap on the sensor, you can take the photo when you open the camera. And that's basically it. That's all the best functions. Or I just forgot about the last one. Definitely, that's the dual connection mode. You can connect these earbuds into the 2 devices and then switch between them. But you will have to remember to update the firmware, because with the old firmware this function is actually not available on the OPPO Enco Free 2. And that's the best functions of these earbuds for me. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.